Still frustrated with traditional touch modules, tangled wiring mess, complex programming? Migrate to the ECOA web-based touch module. Cross-platform, codeless, built-in SCADA graphic editor, zero programming needed. Design monitoring interfaces via drag and drop on web pages. Manage from your phone, tablet, or computer. Effortless deployment. Connect sensors, import parameters, or configure graphically. Start operation. Your control panel becomes instantly organized. Powerful expandability. Supports up to 256 IPRL points. Video integration and multiple sizes for flexible application. Say goodbye to complicated wiring and embrace efficient, smart management. Air conditioning monitoring has never been this easy. HVAC, a control, building automation, smart control, codeless, SCADA ECOA.